Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Noobs. Today is March 27th on Monday, and I would just like to talk about Bitcoin and its price action for the past couple of days. I'll try to make this video short. It's not a whole lot of new updates. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $27,139. It's been going sideways since my last video about almost a week ago, which I kind of expected. Or I expected a couple of different other things, but right now it's playing out one of the three things that I have expected, and is going sideways. The best case scenario for me for what I expected is Bitcoin to go past its current price at 27,000, past 30,000, and pretty much trade within these ranges. I think last time I said around 37,000 to about 29,000, about $30,000 for Bitcoin. Maybe a little bit higher, maybe a little bit lower, but definitely in these price ranges. We have gotten rejected from this so far. Not completely rejected where it went back down to 18,000 or 20,000 or whatever, but still haven't broke that line, so still pretty much rejected. It's going sideways right now, which is a pretty good thing because it's not a complete failure of breaking that resistance line of roughly around 30,000, but it's not going down either to zero, so that's definitely a good thing. But right now we have broke trend lines for the local time frame. As you can see right here, it went past this line that I drew for myself. I don't think I had these lines before in my last video, but I do have them now. As you can see here, it has broke this trend line right here today. It broke it today, but I do have another trend line for the overall scheme of things of right here. This is where it actually started to go up, and it touched about a couple of times, 1, 2, 3 times. It sort of touched this line, and it's pretty much a major support line for Bitcoin right now. If it breaks this line, this dashed line right here, then we'll have to reconsider where Bitcoin is probably doing, and we'll have to pretty much wash and repeat our new lines for the most part. So if Bitcoin hits this, which I kind of expect since it broke down the local trend line, and it's almost pretty much on its way for the most part, as from what I can see. But it did bounce off of this line, which is the local high, when it had this huge spike. That could definitely be a bull trap, or it could be anything else. But right now, it's a pretty strong support line for Bitcoin because it definitely touched right here. I could have drawn lines anywhere here, but where it had touched here, it was a pretty good indication that it was going to be a strong support line for now, based on this little spike right here. So right now we'll just have to be looking how Bitcoin is going to react for the next couple of days. I've been hearing some pretty cool news, and definitely some bullish, bearish narratives right now for Bitcoin. But the chart doesn't lie. Right now, Bitcoin is pretty much going in the uptrend right now. But once it breaks this line, then we will have to reconsider our views and see and give it a couple of more days for Bitcoin to actually make a decision, rather to be, very hyped and bullish for Bitcoin, or kind of take a step back and see how things play out in the bearish terms. So I'm trying not to make this video long. I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this right now. I will make another video once Bitcoin actually breaks past 30,000, so we can reevaluate how Bitcoin is going to react. But if it breaks down past this line and past this dotted line right here, I'll make another video to analyze and try to reconsider where Bitcoin is going to be heading at that point also. But if it's just going to be chopping sideways, I probably won't make another video. But depending on how it chops sideways, I will make another video. I hope all that makes sense. But either way, that's all I got time for you guys today. This is a new Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you have a positive week for this week, and I hope to see you in my next one.